Hey now, your mortgage man Dan here, coming to you with your Monday Mortgage Minute for the week of June 8th, 2020. Let's jump in and take a look at what's going on. And as always, please remember to like, comment, and share if you find the information valuable and or interesting. So let's jump in. So present market conditions. Sam Khater, the chief economist for Freddie Mac, said that with the economy, while the economy is slowly rebounding, all signs continue to point to a solid recovery in home sales activity heading into the summer as prospective buyers jump back into the market. Low mortgage rates are a key factor in this recovery. And while homebuyer demand is up and has been broad-based across most geographies, supply has been slower to improve. In fact, the gap between supply and demand has widened even further than the large gap that existed prior to the pandemic. Okay, let's take a look at present market conditions continued. The shocking news in the unemployment report. So last Friday, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released their May employment situation summary. Leading up to the release, most experts projected or predicted that the unemployment rate would jump to approximately 20% from the 14.7% that was announced last month. And the experts were shocked. And here's why. The Wall Street Journal put it this way. The May U.S. jobless rate fell to 13.3%, and employers added 2.5 million jobs, blowing Wall Street expectations out of the water. Economists had forecast a loss of 8.3 million jobs and a 19.5% unemployment rate. In addition, CNBC revealed the May gain was by far the biggest one-month job surge in U.S. history since at least 1939. That's amazing. To continue, here are some of the job gains by sector. You can see the largest one by far is food service and bartenders, right? Because all across the country, there have been, phase one openings where restaurants are allowed to have outdoor seating, separated 6 feet apart, things like that. So food service and bartenders, some of them have been able to get back to work. In addition, construction, education and health services, retail, other services, manufacturing and professional services all had gains in this last report. So that is fantastic news. There is still a long way to go before the economy fully recovers, as 21 million Americans remain unemployed. That number is down, however, from 23 million just last month. And of the 21 million in the current report, 73% feel that their layoff is temporary. And this aligns with a recent Federal Reserve Bank report that showed employers felt 75% of the job losses are temporary layoffs and furloughs. The employment situation summary was definitely a pleasant surprise and evidence that the country's economic turnaround is underway. And the data also offers a labor market snapshot from mid-May, when the government conducted its monthly survey of households and businesses. Many states didn't open for business until the second half of May, and this bodes well for next month's jobs report. Now, the expectations, all eyes will continue to stay focused on the coronavirus news and updates, and it looks like we'll have a lot of information to look at this week. The Consumer Price Index is a key indicator that lets us know if there are any inflation concerns, and the CPI will be released on Wednesday. Along with that, another Fed meeting will be taking place on Wednesday as well. And Thursday finishes up the week with jobless claims data. Now, the bottom line, we cannot rejoice over a report that reveals millions of American families are still without work. Regarding the economy, we can, however, feel relieved that we're headed in the right direction, and much more quickly than most anticipated. Even with everything going on in the world, it's still a great time to be in the market for a mortgage. If you have to buy a home or sell a home, or you want to buy a home or sell a home, if you have to or want to refinance your home, it's still a great time to be in the market for a mortgage. With rates still very low, make sure to take advantage of this great time to buy or refinance your current mortgage. My contact information is here. Anyone you know who you think I should be talking to buy, sell, refinance, if they just have questions, my contact information is right here. Don't hesitate to call, text, or email me. I'm here to help. Please remember again, Like, comment, and share if you find the information I'm sharing helpful or valuable or interesting. I will greatly appreciate that. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay safe, love one another, support one another. Let's keep doing our job to help make this world a better place for all of us. All right. Thank you so much. Bye for now.